Hello, this is our system called Secure Gate Access Vehicle Plate Detection System. This is our login page. You simply put your credentials and log into the secure gate. Once you're in the secure gate, this is our home page. You can see the vehicle plate detection system for resident identification. This is used in Villa Annapolis. As you can see, it is an advanced AI-powered security system that automatically detects and identifies vehicle license plate for seamless residential access control. It has real-time detection, resident management, live monitoring, and secure access. When you're here, you can click the Enter Dashboard. As you can see, this is our dashboard. It has system status, cameras active, monitoring active, and accuracy. You can see the total detections, authorized vehicles, and unregistered vehicles. There's also the weekly detection activity, access distribution, today's detection pattern, and quick actions. You can select upload image, live detection, detection history, and manage residents. In upload, you simply drag and drop or click here to select a file. I'm going to try this one. After you drag and drop your image here, you simply select detect plate. The results are here. It is ABC1234, and that is our plate number. There are also instructions written below. In our live, as you can see, there is a main gate and exit gate. We're going to try a plate number. This one. As you can see, it detected the plate number P9479B. In history, you can see the unregistered plate numbers. It simply says unregistered because it is not registered in the residence. It is P9479B. In residence, you simply add new residence, full name, unit, email, phone, vehicle plate, vehicle type, vehicle color, fuel type, and you upload their ORCR. So the documents and credentials are correct. In unregistered history, you can see the timestamp and where they access. It is the entry point of the Villa Annapolis. Here's the captured image P9479B. Simply, if they are unregistered, you simply click the verify ID, then picture their ID here and select capture ID. And it will show in visitor records. Here the plate, captured ID, extracted text, timestamp, and actions. In analytics, you can see the total detections, registered vehicles, unregistered vehicles, weekly performance, registered versus unregistered. When you hover your mouse here, you can see unregistered, or there are 3. This is the frequent vehicles, P9479B, ABC1234. And here you can see the 24-hour detection pattern. It is currently 18 in military time. Detections are 4. You can go back to dashboard, and that is our system.